Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie with dry fruits, full guide. Soak dates, raisins, and nuts to rehydrate them, then drain before blending. Start with a mild liquid like almond milk and add small amounts until smooth. Add a banana or yogurt for creaminess and taste. Sweeten lightly if needed and finish with a squeeze of citrus to brighten flavors for a balanced smoothie. Warm water speeds soaking, but room temperature works fine for subtle flavor. Chop larger dry fruits and remove pits before soaking to protect blades. For nuts, a longer soak reduces grit and makes the drink creamier. Save a bit of the soaking liquid to add back when blending for extra flavor and nutrients. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or thickness with yogurt, milk, or a splash more liquid. Begin by pulsing dry ingredients with a small amount of liquid to break them down. Gradually add remaining liquid and blend until smooth, scraping sides as needed. For protein and creaminess, add yogurt or a spoonful of nut butter. Experiment with spices like cinnamon or cardamom and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Pour into chilled glasses and garnish with chopped nuts or a few fresh berries for contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.